Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to the update on 1000 days challenge. This day 606, so let's get things started. Alright, so first and foremost, equity remains the same, but actually I have a slightly improvement in terms of experimental trade setup and what I mentioned. I did enter a couple of long setup for, I think, 4 setup, and that turns in terms of profit, and I close the trade, so I'll be updating the trade setup later today. And on the other hand, for main trading account setup, like what I mentioned previously, I've entered a long, but that is purely based on the systematic cover trading approach. So let's see how things goes. Currently, right now, I'm just trading the stop loss. I could, without a doubt, still turn to a negative or break-even cover point, but let's see how things goes. So on the other hand, across the board, I'll say S&P 500 and Nasdaq looks to be bullish in terms of yesterday closing, but bearing in mind both is currently hitting the daily horizontal resistance itself. So I do see potential pullback or small little retracement coming today or in the coming few days itself. Yep, so definitely retracement will come. The question is when and how much would it be? And on the other hand, for ASHR is definitely the most bearish among all. So a lot of them actually maintain, but ASHR is still retracing in that sense. So let's see how things goes. As long as we do not break below this $32 region itself, tentatively this could still be the absolute bottom. As you can see, this sell-off pressure does not come with very strong volume in that sense. And then finally for KYPCL, not necessarily a bad thing. Now we're actually finding strength hovering near the 20 exponential moving average. The key thing that we definitely do want to see is a quick break above the 50 simple moving average and staying above it. And that is both the horizontal resistance and also the 50 simple moving average on the daily chart, in which case a potential shift of momentum could be in place. All right, and then finally for Bitcoin itself, so yeah, even though yesterday tentatively closed with like a rejected candlestick of the 200-day simple moving average itself, so I did expect a potential sell-off like today, but you can see that the candle from the candlestick itself, the price didn't even go towards the low of that. So even if you were to choose to be taking profit, you potentially wouldn't have even taken because you put your sell on the right below the low of yesterday, which is at 46.6K region than that. So until the price is below that, I will still lean towards a bullish continuation momentum. And on the 4-hour chart, the problem is like what I mentioned, because it's a lot of key resistances, potential pullback could be happening. But if it comes to long-term position itself, I'm not changing. I'm still sticking to my position that I'm holding it. And yeah, so I bought quite a few along the way from, I think, definitely not at the bottom at the 33K itself. I think I bought some around 35, 36, 38. 40 and also I think 41 to 43,000 itself. I did bought quite a few around here. So yeah, let's see how things goes. Definitely we do see potential retracement to even a 40K or 45K region. 45K region itself, as long as it's being supported, I'll be very keen to add on in terms of a longer term position or even for trading purposes wise. Yep, otherwise that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.